Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For this one I will use 3mm crochet hook and a ball of yarn. You can use any kind of yarn and any crochet hook. Let's get started crocheting. It's gonna be very interesting pattern with 3D volume. I will begin from the foundation chain. Make a chain of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The foundation chain is ready. Then chain more. It is for transition. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch away from the hook. Make single crochet. Then make single crochet into each chain stitch of the foundation chain. Pattern consists of 4 stitches. I will repeat pattern 3 times. Pattern consists of 2 rows. I'm gonna to do 2 preparation rows. This is the first one. Then I will show you how to crochet the complex stitches in the second row. I am finishing my row. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. Make the last single crochet. Row 1 is ready. Let's crochet row 2. This is the second preparation row. Make 1, 2, 3 chains. Turn the work. Yarn over the hook. I skip the first stitch. Insert the hook into the second stitch. Pull up a loop. Pull through first loop. Then pull through 2 loops. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Pull up a loop. Pull through first loop. Pull through 2 loops. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Pull up a loop. Pull through first loop. Pull through 2 loops. Then pull through loops on the hook. Then make chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Yarn over the hook. Then I'm making double crochet on the chain into this thread. Make the first one, the second one, yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook around the chain, make front post treble crochet. My complex stitch is ready. Looks like an old clock or a bow. Yarn over the hook 3 times. Insert the hook through the next stitch. I will repeat the same. Pull up a loop, pull through first loop and pull through 2 loops. Make the second one and make the third one and 4. Then pull through 4 loops on the hook. Then pull through 2 loops, 1, 2 and 3. Well done. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the thread. Make the first one, 2, then make front post treble crochet around the stitch. Here what I have. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. Let's stop and look at the ready swatch. In this case, I did row longer. My second row is ready. My all complex stitches are done. Continue with the next row. Make a chain, turn the work. Now I'm going to work with single crochet in this row. 1. Make single crochet into each stitch. Pattern consists of 2 rows. One of them is row of single crochet and the second one and a row of complex stitches. I'm finishing my row. To complete my row by making the last single crochet, I insert the hook into the chain stitch. This is the first chain stitch from the top and make single crochet, chain of 3. So I am making the same way as I did in the lower row. Let's repeat. 1, 2, 3, make double crochet on the chain 1, 2, and make front post double crochet around the chain. Then pull through loops on the hook, chain of 4, make double crochet on the chain 1, well done. Let's crochet the second one. Make yarn over the hook 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. I insert the hook into the front post treble crochet in the lower row, pull up a loop, pull through first loop, and pull through 2 loops. I skip this stitch, insert the hook into the next one, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. This is the first 2 loops. Then pull through 2 loops. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull through first loop, pull through 2 loops. Make the third one and the fourth one. Yarn over, pull through first 4 loops, pull through 2 loops, 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the thread, make double crochet on the chain 1, 2, and make front post treble crochet around the stitch. Here what I have. My 3D pattern is ready. Here how it looks. Let's repeat one more time. Yarn over the hook 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook around the front post treble crochet in the lower row, pull up a loop, pull through first loop, then pull through 2 loops. I skip the stitch, insert the hook into the next one, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, yarn over the hook, and make double crochet on the chain 1, 2, 3. Then yarn over, pull through first 4 loops on the hook, pull through 2 loops, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over the hook and make double crochet on the chain 1 into the thread, 1, 2. Then yarn over the hook twice and make front post treble crochet. My front post treble crochet is ready. My amazing stitches are ready. Pattern consists of 2 rows. It is a row of single crochet and a row of complex stitches. Continue, make a chain, turn the work, and make single crochet from the first stitch. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. I will repeat this with you. Don't forget to make single crochet into the last chain stitch. You can use any kind of yarn and any crochet hook for your pattern. And all additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Please don't forget about it. This is the first chain stitch. Make single crochet. So that's it, my cute swatch is ready. Pattern has 2 rows. One of them is single crochet and another one is complex stitches with 3D volume, and pattern has 4 stitches. So you should repeat as many times as you need for your project. Here how my pattern looks like when you are done. I used another color of yarn. This is my own stitch pattern I created recently for you. You can use such pattern to create any kind of project, from blanket to the scarf or another accessories. It could be tablecloths or coaster or mug rack. And I remind you, this is pattern with 3D volume. Let's look at the back side. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me in social media, and of course crochet with me and learn more. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my pattern. It's very interesting to read your comment. See you next time and bye!